So here it is, the new Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series II, or as I like to call it, the most luxurious way to say, get out of my way. Yes, the Spirit of Ecstasy is still up front, leading the charge, because this isn't a car, it's a statement. And this Cullinan has a special spec, Olivine Green, that's the color, which in real life looks like British racing green mixed with a 10,000 bottle of wine, paired with the white interior. This combo is serious Ion Land energy. So what's new with this Series 2? Well, not everything changed, but that's kind of the Rolls-Royce vibe, isn't it? You don't rush perfection, you just make lights sharper, the lines cleaner, and the vibe more old money got a tech upgrade. The Spirit of Ecstasy as elegant as always. This car still looks like a rolling penthouse, but now it's got a 22-inch chromed wheels, polished so hard you could check your hairline in them. The inside of this car makes most hotel suites look like student housing. We've got white leather everywhere and wood accents. Feels like sitting inside of a cloud, but one that cost more than $800,000. Every single spec is done perfectly. Everything is just done elegant and with the best design ever. The rear seats, more like a luxury lounge. And yes, you can spec a fridge back there because hydration is luxury. Also, just have a look at this. The Starlight Headliner. Over 1,300 lights hand woven into the roof. You can even customize the star map to watch your birthday. This Series 2 comes with the usual clock, but underneath has a second Spirit of Ecstasy. And now it's time to show the heart of this beast. Under the hood, no hybrid nonsense, no turbo 4-cylinder pretending to be something it's not. You get a proper 6.75-liter twin turbocharged V12. It's smooth, quiet, and powerful enough to pull your whole state uphill while you have a phone call or a work meeting. Each engine is hand-assembled by one technician. You even get a nameplate on the engine like built by James. Probably wearing gloves and definitely listening to classic music. I know the main reason to have a Cullinan is not just to rev it up like crazy, but in this channel we like to hear the engine. This is a must-do, but I'll show you the other side. As soon as you close the door, is complete peace and quiet. Another interesting fact about this car, and I know it's something that is normal in a lot of other cars, but tell me, one of the coolest things you'll ever seen is a slam Cullinan. This floating palace can lower itself automatically when parked, thanks to the self-leveling air suspension. It's surreal watching something this massive, this luxurious, crunch down like it's ready for a red carpet. Low and slow never looked so classy. Sign-wise, they didn't mess up with the DNA. It still has that "don't park next to me" energy. The Spirit of Ecstasy up front, it's still retractable. She disappears when you lock the car, like Cinderella but expensive. And of course, the coach doors. Rear hinged, power assisted, because closing your own door, that's for peasants. And now it's comparison time. Now let's be real. You're not cross-shopping this with a Kia, but the Maybach GLS, too soft. The Urus, fun but loud. The Bentayga, nice try. The Cullinan just floats above all of them, quietly, elegantly, like a rich ghost. So, my final thoughts? The Cullinan Series II isn't about speed, it's about status. It's not trying to impress because it already has. If you want drama, get a Urus. If you want flash, get a Maybach. But if you want silence, presence, and actually luxury, this is it. Hit that like if you take this over anything else on the road, and check the description for more. Also, if you want to have a look of the little brother of this beautiful Cullinan, just click on the left of this screen and you'll have the best review of the Ghost Series II. They are like twin brothers. You should have a look. Go for it. Until next time, stay luxurious. Laters.